What is going on, YouTube? Today we're going to be installing and testing the StarknightMT windshield for our Kawasaki Teryx 8 itself. We have the grommets for both top and bottom, along with all the straps and a bracket to hold it securely in place. They also included a very detailed instructions guide and some stickers. And then of course the windshield itself, we can see those giant vents which are going to come in handy in this Texas. The bottom part of the windshield is going to be using the thicker seal. So if you look, it's going to be have that bigger bulge on the bottom, and that's going to seal water out of the bottom of the. And the reason I put this bottom seal on first was so that it doesn't scratch my actual hood here. But that's basically how it'll fit, just like that. Now the seal for the top is a little bit different. It's obviously smaller, but it's more of like a windlace, and it does not feel cheap. It definitely feels high quality. So we're gonna go ahead and stick this on just the top edge of the windshield. Okay, so the last thing we have to do is install these two brackets. So this one is going to install to the windshield, and then this one is going to install to the actual top roll cage. So they've already put a hole up there for us to mount this bracket through, and then they give us this little wing nut. I'm going to attempt to mount this through there just like that. True story. We have this guy right here. This will go around the frame and then into that nut there.